Hello, everyone, and welcome to Skyline English Studio. My name is Mark.
And I'm Chloe. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today. On this channel, we help you practice real English.
Yes, today we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about feelings.
That's right. Feelings are a big part of our lives. We feel many things every day. Happy, sad, tired.
Yes, and it is important to talk about them. In this episode, we will help you learn simple English words for your feelings.
We will practice how to say you are happy and how to say you are sad. We will also learn how to ask someone about their feelings.
It will be very useful for your English conversations. Are you ready?
Great! Let's begin. Mark, I have a question for you. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, thank you. The sun is shining and I have a nice cup of coffee. I feel very happy.
That's wonderful to hear. Happy is a great word. It's the most common word for a good feeling. Happy. Happy.
Exactly. When something good happens, you can say, I am happy, or I feel happy. For example, I see my friends and I feel happy.
Me too. Seeing my family makes me happy. Or eating good food. Good food makes me very happy.
What other words can we use for good feelings? Sometimes we say, I feel good.
Yes, good is a simple word we use a lot. If a friend asks, how are you? You can say, I'm good, thanks.
We can also feel excited. Excited is a very strong, happy feeling. EXCITED, excited.
When do you feel excited, Mark?
I feel excited before a holiday or a vacation, or before my birthday. I get very excited about birthday cake.
Oh, me too. I also feel excited when I plan a trip. I love to travel. It's an exciting feeling.
So, we have happy, good, and excited. These are all positive feelings. Positive means good.
Let's practice. Listeners, you can repeat after me. I feel happy.
I feel good.
I feel excited.
Very nice. Now, let's talk about feelings that are not so happy. Sometimes we have bad days, and that's okay.
It is okay. A common feeling is sad. S-A-D. Sad. This is the opposite of happy.
When do you feel sad, Chloe?
I feel sad when I watch a sad movie or when I miss my family. Then I feel a little sad.
I understand. I also feel sad when I hear bad news. You can say, I am sad, or I feel sad.
Another feeling is tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. This is how you feel when you need to sleep.
Oh, I know this feeling very well. After a long day at work, I am often tired.
Me too. I work a lot and then I come home and I feel very tired. I want to sit on the sofa and relax.
Exactly. So if your friend asks, do you want to go out? You can say, sorry, I can't. I'm too tired.
That's a very useful phrase. What about angry? A-N-G-R-Y. Angry.
Angry is a strong feeling. It's when you feel upset about something. Maybe someone is not nice to you.
Yes. For example, if my computer is very slow, I sometimes feel angry. It's frustrating.
Or if I am late for a meeting because of traffic. The traffic makes me angry sometimes.
It's a normal feeling, but it is a strong negative feeling. Negative is the opposite of positive.
One more word for today. Worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried.
When do we feel worried?
You feel worried when you think something bad might happen. For example, before a big test, some students feel worried.
That's a great example. Or if a friend is sick, I feel worried about them. I hope they are okay.
So, we have sad, tired, angry, and worried. These are all negative feelings. Let's practice them.
Please repeat after me. I feel sad.
I feel tired.
I feel angry.
I feel worried.
Good job, everyone! Now, it is also very important to ask other people about their feelings. It shows you care.
The most common question is, how are you? But if someone looks sad or tired, what can we ask?
You can ask, are you okay? Or, is everything all right? These are very kind questions.
Let's practice a small conversation. Chloe, I will pretend you look sad.
Okay.
Hi, Chloe. Are you okay?
Oh, hi, Mark. I'm just a little tired today.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Mark. That's very kind.
You see, it's a simple conversation, but it's very good for connecting with people. Asking, are you okay, is very caring.
I agree. It helps our friends and family know that we are thinking of them.
So, today we learned many new words for our feelings.
Let's do a quick review. For good feelings, we learned,
Happy, good, and excited.
and for difficult or bad feelings, we learned,
Sad, tired, angry, and worried.
and we learned how to ask a friend about their feelings.
You can say, how are you? Or, are you okay?
Wow, that was a lot of great information. We hope it was helpful for all of you.
Your homework is to practice. Try to use one of these words today. You can tell a friend or family member how you are feeling.
Or you can write it down. Today, I feel, and then choose a word. It's great practice.
Thank you so much for listening to Skyline English Studio. It always makes us happy to have you here with us.
It does. If you like our video, help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel.
Yes, it really helps us a lot. We hope you have a wonderful week. Goodbye for now.
Join us again next time. Bye, everyone.